welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Vivian and I would love it if you joined the Frenchie FunFinds family and just hit the subscribe button below. I do videos all the time on fashion, beauty, lifestyle, vlogs. In fact, we just vlogged our last San Francisco trip. If you haven't seen it yet, I will link it up in one of these corners for you to check out. So if you're interested in those kind of things, please hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on my future videos. I am super happy because not only is it Stitch Fix Day, but I think spring has finally arrived in Michigan. Yay! I think it's about time. Anyway, so let's just get started. I have already unboxed my Stitch Fix for May. This is my May Stitch Fix. I have unboxed it. I have tried everything on, so I'll be trying everything on right here next to me. Make sure that you leave me a comment below. Let me know what you think of each item. Also, at the end of the video, I will let you know what I decided to keep, if anything, and how much I paid, so you guys aren't left hanging. Okay, so my stylist at Stitch Fix has always been Michelle. This is my 26th Stitch Fix, which is just crazy. So let me just read you her note. Hey Vivian, I'm so excited to style you again and have included some styles to get your closet ready for spring. Yay! Even though Mother Nature is clinging on to winter, spring is knocking on the door. Since you're looking for a new pair of high-rise jeans, I'm sending the Articles of Society jeans. Let me know how you like the fit and lighter wash. I'm also sending the Lila Ryan joggers. These are an edgy style that you can wear to work. Try them with the Bailey44 blouse in black and layer on your favorite jacket, blazer, or cardigan. Add the flats or a pair of black kitten heels for that trendy style that will set you apart from everyone else in the office. Let me know what you think. XO Michelle. Hey Michelle, thank you so much. I know you always put in so much thought and effort into my fixes and I really appreciate it. So let's just get started with item number one. I always like to talk about shoes, and this month I got a pair of Tom's flats right here. These are super cute, very comfortable. I think they might just be a half size too big. I'll be trying it here next to me. You can see that my foot kind of like comes out of the shoe when I walk, but I don't know that I would fit into a half size smaller, but they are super cute. They have some nice perforations which sets them apart. We've got the Toms back here. There's the sole. They feel really comfortable. I think they'd be a great shoe. And you know that with every Tom's shoes that you purchase, they will give a pair of shoes to a child in need, which is an awesome thing with Tom's. So if you guys didn't know that, Tom's does do that. These are the Tom's Jutti or Jutti suede flat in taupe, size 7, and they are $84. So not only are they a little big, I really don't need a taupe pair of flats, but I do think these are super cute if you are looking for a pair. I think they might run a little bit big, but it just may be my foot. But these do feel pretty comfortable and they are super cute. So let me know what you guys think about those. Okay, so the second item I got were those joggers she's talking about. And these are so cute. These are the Lila Ryan Sevilla linen jogger pant in olive in a size 4, and these are $98. They look kind of like in between an olive and a taupey brown color. I think they lean more khaki-ish, a little bit more brown to me, but they call it olive. And they've got nice big pockets right here. They've got cute pockets in the back with a little snap on them. And of course, they're a jogger, which means they are cinched at the bottom. These are so cute, but I'll tell you my biggest problem with them and their biggest flaw is that they are linen. They're pretty sturdy linen, but you're still gonna have to iron these, and I am not about it. I'm about trying to make my life easier, not more difficult, and these definitely will require ironing pretty much every time you wear them. So that is probably the reason why I probably won't keep them. But they are so cute, so comfortable, and they would go with everything. Black, white, cream, shirt, anything. Cute little tank tops in the summer, sandals, flats. You could wear them with a booty. I mean, you could wear these all the time. So love these, but I doubt I will be keeping them. Let me know what you guys think. Okay, the next item is this little like tank top, camisole top. This is the Bailey44 Trolley Cross Front Knit Top in black in a size medium. The cost on this little sweetie is $128. Now, granted, I did change my Stitch Fix like style quiz to include some higher priced designer items, and that I'd be okay with that. But this, I'm pretty sure I probably even pinned this, to be honest, but it's too expensive. I won't pay $128 for like a little cami type top. It's super cute, super soft, and just lovely. These are kind of like a leather strap, so they're not material. They kind of feel like leather or some sort of like a cord or something. This is a very deep V. As you can see from me trying it on, I have a strapless black bra, and you could see probably like this much of it. So it is a very deep V. If you like that kind of thing, you would probably really like this. It is open here, but it stays shut for the most part, so that's no big deal. And then it's just got a little bit of a cinched in waist here, which is nice because it just hides anything you got going on right down there on your belly. And then it's a little bit of a high-low right here. So it's got some really cute features. It's so beautifully soft. I mean, it's like butter. It's just amazing. Really cute. I like the style here. I think it's just a beautiful little cami, but it's just, to me, probably not worth more than 40 or 50 bucks. I mean, $128. I don't know, let me know what you guys think and if you would pay that for something like this. The next item are these jeans that she's talking about. And I do really want some really good high waist jeans. The Articles of Society Heather High Rise Skinny Jean in Indigo size 4, and these are $64, so the price is right. These right here, just a very simple, nothing to them, high rise jean. So just like really nice, a little bit of stretch to them, which is kind of nice. They are a little bit tight on me. Something about them I don't love. They are high rise. I wouldn't even mind them maybe a little bit higher. They come right underneath my belly button, which is fine. They do cinch everything in. They're pretty comfortable. I have other jeans in this color. They're not high rise, but I don't know that I need another pair that looks quite like this. So I want them maybe just a little bit even more of a high rise. I want them just a little bit higher, actually, to cover my belly button. Just so I could wear maybe not crop tops, but just a little shorter tops, and everything is just cinched in and hidden. But they're nice. I mean, and the price is perfect. So if you want a high rise, very basic, simple blue jean that won't break the bank, these are it. I think they're a good jean. They just missed the mark by just a tad for me, but they're nice jeans for sure. And the last item is this top right here. This is the Olive and Oak Tandry Lace Up Knit Top in Off-White in the size medium, and this one is $48, so the price isn't horrible. And it's right here. It's kind of got this kind of like a boater neck tie right there. 3/4 sleeve, a little bit of a high-low. Nice stripe, but you know, pretty subtle, and it's just super soft. I don't know that it's worth 50 bucks. To me, it's probably more like a $30, $40 at the most type shirt. It's just very basic, but it is super comfortable. It's a sweet little top. I think it'd be very versatile for summer, spring and summer. I think you could get a lot of use out of it. You could wear it with jeans. You could even wear this to work. You can wear it on the weekends, whatever. I don't know, I just don't know if I need it. So what I'm going to start doing more is being really picky. I think I was picky before, but I'm going to be more picky about the items that I decided to keep. I've been going through my closet. I've been doing a lot of kind of like purging. I've been putting a lot of things in consignment. I've been giving some stuff away. I've been donating to Goodwill, things like that. And I just kind of see that, because I do get kind of sick of clothing pretty quick. I don't get sick of accessories like jewelry, bags, shoes, you know, they wear out, but you know, jackets, things like that, I tend to wear those over and over, season after season after season. But clothes I get kind of sick of after a couple, 2, 3, 4 years. So I'm going to be a little more picky about what I decide to keep. So you guys might be seeing my videos where like, oh, she only kept 1 item, or maybe she didn't keep any items, or only 2 items. Whereas in a lot of my other videos, I'd keep 3, 4, 5 items continuously. But you know, I am doing Trunk Club, I'm doing Stitch Fix, and I'm actually trying one more style box, so you guys will be seeing that shortly within the next few weeks as well. And so I'm just kind of trying some other things out, so I'm just going to be really picky, and if I don't need it, I'm not going to keep anything. So what's really nice with Stitch Fix is I did do the one-time styling fee, so if I did send everything back, again, I'm not losing out on that. So just so you guys know, I might just be being a little bit more picky about what I said to keep. But this box, I am still going to give it a thumbs up. I think Michelle did an awesome job. She always does. Everything here I would wear. There's just like, you know, maybe things are too expensive, or I have something similar, or maybe I just don't need it right now, or something's a little too high maintenance. So I'm just going to be, you know, looking at things a little bit more in depth that way. So my order subtotal is $422 with my, I have a credit on my account of $75. My order total would be $241.50, which again is not horrible for everything here. I think everything is nice, good quality. I would wear it all. But I know I'm not going to be keeping everything. So I'll let you know at the end of the video what it is I did decide to keep, if anything. But make sure you guys leave me a comment below. Let me know what your thoughts are on this fix. Or if you have any other comments, I'd love to hear them. I'd love this to be an open community and an open forum where we all learn from each other. So make sure you leave me a comment below. Make sure to give me a thumbs up if you like these kind of videos. And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on my future videos. Thanks guys. Bye.